So for today, I'm going to teach you on how to get your OKX UID from OKX Exchange. So first, you need to access the OKX application on your mobile device, or if you don't have on your mobile device, just simply visit their website. And after that, you need to enter your credentials for you to able to access your account. And after that, you will see the 9 dots, which is located at the top left corner of your screen, and you just have to click it for you to able to access your account and profile. After that, under the profile section, you will see a bunch of options, which is the identity verification if you're not yet verified, the trading fee tier, UID, as well as your nickname. So, you can now see your UID on your OKX exchange. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video. Stay awesome, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next one.